Meaning of Indian corn.
Indian corn.
Indian corn.
Indian corn.
Indian corn. Indian corn is a type of maize that is native to the Americas and has been cultivated by indigenous people for thousands of years. The term Indian corn is often used to describe multicolored ears of maize that are commonly used in fall decorations or for making traditional dishes such as hominy or grits. The kernels of Indian corn are larger and harder than the sweet corn typically consumed in the United States. The variety of colors in Indian corn, ranging from deep red and orange to blue and purple, make it a popular decorative item during the autumn season.